So in this video tutorial, you will learn how to add dark mode to your WordPress website. The dark mode is used on mobile devices and computers to reduce the amount of white light from the screen. You can add a toggle to enable dark mode on your website very easily using a plugin. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins. Then click on Add New. In the search bar, type WP Dark Mode and press Enter. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now to start the installation. When the installation is complete, this button is going to change to Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin. So once the plugin is activated, you get redirected to the plugin settings page. You don't have to make any changes here. Just go to the website. And in the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see a button. When you click on it, your website will be in dark mode. That's it. Simple as that. This is how you can enable dark mode on your WordPress website. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.